Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on CSS text spacing. So right now, we'll be discussing about the CSS letter spacing. The CSS letter spacing property is used to specify the space between the characters in the text. The following example demonstrates how to increase or decrease the space between characters. So I'm going to show you how all this works easily so you can be able to follow along, just in case you are in a position to use this. This is our document right here. In the previous tutorial we discussed about the CSS text indentation. You can check our previous list, you can check our tutorial list in our CSS text spacing playlist. All the topics that cover the text indentation and text spacing, the one we are trying to use right now, we are going to see everything there. So right now, what we want to use now, we are no more using the text indentation. We are here to use what? We are here to use the letter spacing. When we use letter spacing property, we can give it a value. Which kind of value can we give it? It can be in pixel or whatever. So let's just give it 24 pixel. So you can see the benefit of using this. When I save my document, firstly let me remove this so you can see how all this works. When I reload, can you see how my letter looks? How are you doing? But see the way it's scattered. It's scattered throughout the screen. See the way it is looking one by one. Let me bring it down a little. Let me give it 12 pixels so you can see what I'm talking about. Can you see how this is looking? How are you doing? This is letter spacing for you. This is looking nice, right? You can use this in anything you are doing. You can give it 5 pixels, decrease it to reach 5 pixels. Can you see the gap? In this control the gap in between every single letters. That is why they call it letter spacing. Previously we discussed about the text indentation, which can shift our document our text a bit. So no matter what, we can try to shift our document using the text indent property. But right now we are talking about our letter spacing property. Now this letter spacing property, this is working so nicely for us. Even if we use two pixels, can just increase the space in between our H and 0 or whatsoever, all the letters one by one, H O W A R E Y O U D O I N G T O D A Y, and this question mark, it will increase or decrease the space between them. Can you see? Now it decreases. So let's say we can even reduce it up to 0. When we give it 0, we are going to see what will happen. Can you see? When we give it up to 0, you're going to get to the normal and default status. But if you give it 1, when you give it 1, can you see what happens? It increases a bit. And give it let me give it 8 so you can see how bigger it is. Can you see? So it increases the space in between every element we are having right here, every text element we are having there. So that's how you can use the letter spacing, and you can use this letter spacing in another element also. You can use it in your span element. You can use it anywhere. When we specify letter spacing in our span element, can you see only our span element, the doing DOING is the only one that is having the letter spacing, and we can increase it if you want. If you want, you can just increase it to 12. I'll give it 12 pixels. When we reload, can you see it gets bigger? Even when we give it 24 pixels, it's still going to get bigger. Let's reload our document. Can you see? So that's how you can use letter spacing. So in your document, just in case you need this kind of thing, you can just try it. If it looks nice with your document or is part of what you want to do, then you can use it. That's letter spacing for you. Anwar Akorede ayofe is my name once again. You can find all the tutorial playlists concerning the CSS text spacing in this our playlist to be able to follow along. This is Anwar ayofe Akorede is going once again. We can meet in the next tutorial. If you love this one, have a great day. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Until the next.